Hey, Dan at 3D Auto Repair. One question that I get asked a lot is, should I continue to repair my vehicle? Is my car worth this repair? And that can be a little bit of a tough subject to cross. While it's always in our best interest to do a repair, maybe it's not in the customer's best interest. Maybe it is time for that customer to move on. These are very difficult decisions that sometimes need to be made. But we are happy to walk through every aspect of that situation to make sure that repairing the vehicle is what's best for you long term. Another issue is, should I keep my vehicle running or get a new one? And what environmental impact does that have? Sometimes it's better for the environment not to buy a new car based on the opportunity costs of what it takes to have a new vehicle made, the resources that are consumed by manufacturing new vehicles versus the resources that are consumed in keeping a vehicle running on the road, getting those extra couple thousand miles out of a vehicle versus buying a new vehicle. These are all issues that we're very well aware of here at 3D Auto Repair, and we're more than happy to go through different situations based on your needs. So if you're in that position where you're not quite sure what you should do with the vehicle, keep it running, trade it in, that type of thing, we would be more than happy to go through the different scenarios with you, making sure you get the information to make the correct decision. So if you have those concerns, please feel free to give us a call. We'd be more than happy to talk you through it. Thanks for watching the video. We look forward to seeing you at the shop. Please share this video so that other people in this situation can make the correct decision